Hey, let's build a rubric. Click on plus for the rubric. We're going to create a rubric, and the key point to this is after we create it, if we create one rubric that is useful for multiple assignments or multiple standards, then we can reuse it. I've monkeyed around with importing from Sheets, and I've not had very much success formatting it correctly in Sheets and importing it. If you can figure that out and you can make it work, please share a video with us, because I'm at a loss. Okay, so we're going to create a rubric. And within this, it says use scoring, all right? And then you're going to add the criteria you'll use to evaluate student work as any blah, 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 okay? So the criterion level and the criterion description are different than the level title, or the points in the level title and description down below. So we need to look at our rubric and say, what is the first criteria I'm looking for? And the first criteria I'm looking for is the explanation of ideas and information not equally. So I don't know what that means. I'm going to have to edit that. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back over to this guy. I'm going to put that in my title and paste. And then I'm going to delete this. Okay, and then actually I'm going to backspace this up so it looks a little bit neater. This is the problem with copying and pasting. Sometimes you carry the formatting along and it comes out goofy. This criterion would perhaps be the standard, state standard. And because I'm putting this together for adults, I'm not going to put that in here. But now my point 1 is going to be my lowest value. That's below standard. Okay, so I'm going to copy all of this text in this, in that cell, and if I hold down, click right here, and I hold down Shift, and I scroll to the top of the cell, and then I click in front of does, it just does that cell for me. Then I Control C, and then I go back into here, and I put the description here, and it does carry that question mark through. So they won't carry bullets through, so the question mark took the place of a bullet. But the level title I've neglected to put in, so I need to go back up here, and this is the below standard level title. So I'll Control C this, and I'll go back to the rubric, and then I'll Control V it. Well, I need to put in the next one, and this is kind of a hassle, so let me show you a shortcut. If I grab this by clicking on this tab up here, and I pull it out, and I drop it, and then I grab the top bar, it makes it smaller, and I slam it into the side. And then I grab up here in this blue bar and I slam it into the side. Now I can highlight this and drag it. Oops, Control Z. I can copy it and paste it. And then I can click up here, go to the bottom of the box, hold Shift down, click, Control C, and paste it in here. And then the point value is going to be 2. And then I'll continue that entire process. I'll make one more video, our second follow-up video, to show you what it looks like when it's done.